I just snagged a brand new wallet and it's time to tell you all about it. So let's get cracking. All right, so step one is to unbox it. It is from PUNCube and there's a sweet little open here tab. That allows us easy access. All right, so this is a cash accessory. I'm gonna set that aside and let's open up the wallet. The first thing to note, they've got some tips if you're having difficulties. Of course, there is also a way to reach out if you've got questions. And here is the fantastic wallet. We simply push and boom, out come your cards. How cool is that? And it has an awesome belt clip. Reusable, easy to remove and reposition, wash, dry, and restore stickiness. How cool is that? All right, so let's dig into the PUNCube. The mechanism works by pushing right about here. You can just slide it out to get access to your cards. And then also in this box was a tiny bifold. We can simply open it up. You can store what you want in there. Obviously, I have cash. You could also put some sort of ID or whatever you wanted out here. It also comes with a belt clip. This is reusable, easy to remove or reposition. You can just wash and dry to restore the stickiness. I don't have a need for that, so I'm going to stick with the bifold. I'm going to close up the awesome storage case and put it aside. I'm actually going to save that as well. I've been using the wallet for a week and I am absolutely loving it. I have quickly visited PUNCube.com. Of course, this website will be in the description. This is the Mech wallet. There's also a MagSafe option. I've got the bifold. You could also have a TI, AirTag, or key holder wallet. If you check right here, we of course have the aluminum. You can pick Wasteland, Horizon, or Ripple. Under Wasteland, you can see that you also have different colors. I obviously have this color. Of course, you can bounce down here and check out the available accessories as well. Of course, you can check out all the details of the awesome Mech wallet. Here's that belt clip installed and pictures of it in use. Also, there is grade 4 titanium. Do make sure you note that it's a pre-order item and it ships on March 8th, 2026. Scrolling down the page, of course, it is a great conversation starter. Almost a fidget with the push to reveal fun. And of course, it's crafted from premium materials. The 3 models have different mechanical actions. Wasteland has the pinball, Horizon has the slide, and Ripples has a magnetic option. And most importantly, it has 100% RFID blocking. And of course, it comes packed in the sweet gift box. So final wrap up, friends. Love the PUNCube wallet. Great feel in your hand. I love that it's got the fidget sounds. Also super cool to have the little wallet on the edge so I can have a little bit of cash with me as well. Of course, I do want to remind you there is a coupon code down below and of course links that'll take you to the website as well. Friends, as I wrap up, I do want to say thanks to everybody that supports me via YouTube memberships. Don't forget there are 3 different levels of support starting as low as $5 a month. With any level of support, you get early access to videos. Also, a massive shout out to everybody that supports me via Patreon. Love of that group is growing and we are past 330 members. It has a fantastic messaging area where you can ask questions, gain skills, post designs. Of course, you can learn more with the bit.ly up above or the link in the description. Finally, friends, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget every time you like, hype, share a video, add a comment down below, or click subscribe, you're helping HLModTech get just a little bit bigger, which absolutely makes my day. Friends, have a glorious day, and keep tinkering.